Hey everyone, hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'll show you once again how to generate unlimited free AI videos without any watermark or paid subscription. So let's jump right into it. First, open vibes.ai. I have also added the link in the description below. Once the site loads, you'll see an interface like this. Now click on login button in the top right corner. You can sign in to Vibes AI with your personal Facebook account, Instagram account, phone number, or email address. It's completely up to you. But for this video, I'll go with the email address. So click on it. Here I'll use a temporary email. So open temp mail, copy the email address, and paste it into Vibes AI. Then click continue. Next, enter your date of birth. Choose the strong password. Choose the box if you want to keep your login saved and click next. A new username will be generated for you. You can change it if you want, but it's optional. Then click continue. A confirmation code will be sent to your email inbox. So go back to your temp mail inbox and open the email address you received from Vibes AI. Copy the code you received and paste it into Vibes AI and click next. After signing up, you'll see a dashboard like this. Now click on create new button. A new workspace will open where you can create free AI videos, AI images, AI lip sync. But I'll go with video. Here you need to enter a prompt. You can get for the prompt you can get help from ChatGPT. Simply open ChatGPT and describe your video idea. For this YouTube video, I'm using my own concept, but you can create a prompt based on the type of video content you would like to generate. Once your prompt is ready, copy it and paste it into Vibes AI. Next, you can choose the video style. You can also add a start and end frame. In the advanced setting, you can choose the video quality and finally hit the submit button. As you can see, the video generation process is just started and it may take a few minutes, which is uh, completely normal. So don't be worried. Meanwhile, the video is being generated. Let me tell you one very important thing. You can sign up on Vibes AI with your personal Facebook account, Instagram account, phone number, or email address. It's completely up to you. However, this free tool Vibes AI allows you to generate many high quality AI videos for free, but it only generates portrait videos with the 9:16 aspect ratio, which is ideal for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and similar platforms. If you want to create a longer video content, I suggest using a temporary email because once your generation limit is reached with one account, you can simply sign up again with a different temporary email. This way, you can create as many videos as you want until this tool becomes paid. So let's wait for the video to finish generating. And here we go. A free AI video with Vibes AI has been generated successfully and looks exactly like the prompt I provided with excellent quality and resolution. So with the help of this free tool, you can create free AI videos without any watermark or paid subscription. The generated videos are also easy to download. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more useful and interesting videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments below if this free tool helped you generate your video content or not. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.